Yoski everybody, it's your panda, the panda, and welcome to The Wolf Among Us. I know, it's been a year, a freaking year, but I just want to get into some games. I don't really care, it's been a year. There's a lot of things I could say to be like, oh, it's all excuses, let's do this. This game series adapts to the choices you make. The story is tailored by how you play. Telltale, everybody. Once upon a time, in New York City, there lived a community of fairy tale characters known as Fabletown. The Fables who lived there arrived hundreds of years ago after they were exiled from their homelands. Through the use of a magic spell called Glamour, they have protected their secret community from the mundane world. Sheriff Bigby Wolf protects them from each other.
Today again, if you missed it, a record for the date, hottest ever in June, 103 now, and that humidity looks low, but remember, the hotter the air is, the more moisture it can hold. So 103 with 31% humidity is a lot more humid than, say, 73 with 31% humidity, and it is muggy out there.
One thing I have always liked about Telltale games is their kind of style to things. Like it's almost kind of like clay. Makes me just want to play with it. The Wolf Among Us. Roll credits. Facial expression. He just looks ticked all the time. Jesus Christ. Sometime after midnight. Can't give me a specific time. Alright. Oh, what the?
Mr. Toad?
Oh, shit. Bigby! Listen, mate, I know I don't look human. It's a problem, I get it. I just stepped out the apartment for just a second to see what kind of damage this drunk shit is doing. Just cut me a break, yeah? I'll get me Glamour first thing in the morning. Cross my heart.
Let's see. We could be
no need to kick
cool about it. I'm looking at a 3-foot toe. That's something I would say.
In a sweater.
In a sweater, dang.
If you can't afford to look human, you're going to the farm. It's as simple as that.
You can't send me up to live with those animals.
What happens at the farm?
You know what I mean.
Go see a witch. Get a Glamour.
Bigby, they're bleeding me dry, mate. The quality of the spell goes down, but the rates keep climbing up. Do you have any idea how much it costs to have an entire family in Glamour?
Sounds like gas, Jesus. Don't make the rules. Oh, not my problem. Get out of here.
You're the one risking your entire family getting shipped off. It's completely
I think I want to do like kind of a
Toad.
jerk run.
Bigby, please.
So you guys know.
That's a low blow, mate. All this will be taken care of as soon as the witches are available to cast the spell.
Whatever it costs, it's worth it. You don't want me catching you out of Glamour again.
Fucking hell! See? This is what I called you about, Sheriff. You're just gonna stand there? Do something, Bigby, before he completely tears up the place!
I'm a slacker.
What exactly do you want me to do?
I want you to throw the fucking woodsman out of here, drunk shit. He's been going on like that for hours. Turn this place to dust if you let him. He's in a fucking rage. This is the last straw, Bigby. He has to go.
This is a good question. Why is he so pissed?
So what set him off?
Who knows why it was this time? Man's got a hair trigger. I avoid him as much as possible.
When did he start drinking?
Not sure he ever stopped.
Fuck you!
I didn't know anyone else was up there. Furry prick gobshite. Tell me how to spend my money.
Dad, the lights are shaking again.
What did I say? You want a big bad wolf to take you away?
No.
Then get the fuck back inside!
Dang. Everybody just seems so ticked. What's going on here? But what do I expect? We live in like a crappy apartment. What?
Damn, you hear me? Hey, look at me.
Alright.
Stop, okay? You're drunk. Let go.
To be honest, I don't even know if I would do anything. I don't know if I'd be that guy to be like, yo, what's going on? I'd probably just sit there, look at that magic book, and probably just start like, oh, what's going on with this phone?
Get off of me.
I said I was gonna be a jerk. Why the heck did I put away the phone? I should have left it. Let's be polite. Let's knock on this door real quick. Oh shoot, I'm getting it. Look at his face. Oh,
God damn you!
Oh!
No
Whoa,
way!
whoa, whoa, hey, hey!
You've got something
shoot,
on
I'm
your
already
face.
Fuck are you talking about, you stupid?
Oh!
I'll fucking kill you! You fuck!
I'm not gonna say anything. Oh! Okay, those is fighting words.
What are you gonna fucking do, huh? Get the fuck out of the way before you
I'ma
get
threaten
the
him.
axe again.
Woody, I'm gonna break your fucking face.
Is that a fact?
Yeah,
That's how you
that's a
get the
fact.
people.
You got a shit
When
fucking
they want to fight you,
memory.
you stand
Wolf.
up to them like that.
That's not how it went last
Don't
time.
listen to me.
This isn't the last time.
Oh shoot!
Calm down.
Oh shoot! Oh, we gotta go for the sink. Gotta go for the sink. Go for the sink. God dang! Oh, he's got a razor. At first I thought that was a fork. I'm sorry. Punch him in the gut. Oh, God!
Fucking glutton for punishment.
Fuck you.
The bookcase.
Back off, asshole.
God dang, what's this dude doing? He just doesn't quit. Oh my god. Don't throw him on the couch. I'm trying to hurt the dude. Bottle.
Go fuck yourself.
Oh! Hit him again. Okay, take him to bed. Pause. Ooh. Oh, shoot, I can push him. This dude just does not quit. I know he's a fairy tale, but dang. Oh, he's got his axe. You guys hear the buttons? It's so quiet.
You should probably get out of here.
Look, I'm not leaving until I get what's mine.
You're not getting shit, bitch.
Dang, you can't even say it right, homie. Come on.
Put you in
Shut
the
up.
ground.
Shut up.
Oh, fucking shit. You bugged my
Busted his
jaw, you bastard.
And still you talk.
Fuck you.
Shit.
Let's see. What are you doing here?
What are
As
you
if I
doing
already
here?
don't know. Look at her.
These lips are sealed. Look, this is just the start of a shitty night for me. I just need the money he owes me, then I can
What
go.
happened?
What the hell is going on? What happened?
A little misunderstanding
Okay,
that
come on,
turned
baby.
into a real
You're a
shit
girl,
show.
man.
Don't worry.
Look at her.
You saw the best bits.
There's more where that came from, girly.
Knock it off.
I'm not gonna ask what her name. Actually, no.
What's
Ask
your
what her
name?
name is.
Whatever you'd like it to be, handsome.
Don't make this more difficult than it has to be.
Sorry, Sheriff. Wouldn't want to add any difficulty to your night.
Why was he hitting you?
It's not like I didn't just save you from getting your freaking face
He
whooped.
asked me if I recognized him, knew who he was. I said I didn't. He started beating on me. Then you showed up, started beating on him. That about cover it, hun?
I'm the woodsman, you whore. I saved Little Red Riding Hood from this monster. I cut this fucker open and filled his belly full of stones and threw him in the fucking river. That's who the fuck I am.
Oh, I'm gonna throw him out. Let's do it.
Hey, what did I say? I said be nice, or you wait out.
See, this is what happens when people don't listen. I think... Come on, Bigby. I thought you were... God dang it. I thought he was gonna throw him out, not jump out with him. Come on, man.
Shit.
I still... Oh.
Hey, Toad.
My car.
Yeah.
How do you even drive?
Give me a second.
Oh, no, by all means. Take your time. Make yourself comfortable. Can I get you anything?
How's your insurance?
Hello, perhaps?
So, how good is your insurance?
Not enough.
I can't be mad at you. I called you, and you come to help. I can't be mad. But even when you help, things end up more fucked than they started. Well, at least you're not fucking dead.
Oh, Jesus Christ, dude! He just keeps going! What, you gonna choke me out? Headbutt. Oh, I thought he was gonna headbutt. Oh my... God dang! Ooh!
I know you're fucking in there. Come on out, you fucking dog. I'll put you out of your misery.
Oh my god, am I about to pass out? Oh god!
You ignorant fuck. Come on out, whoa.
Oh, whoa. You're hiding the body? I had nothing to do with this. Jesus Christ! Does he not stop? Oh my god. Thanks, I guess, but...
Thanks.
Don't mention it. I'm just getting what he owes me. You alright back there? I mean, your eyes and the teeth? You're not really supposed to do that, are you?
Not if I can avoid it.
Great.
He just triggered me, that's all.
The guy's got an axe in his brain. He's not feeling that.
It's more from me. He'll be fine.
I'll kill you, you
Oh my
fucking
god,
bitch.
dude, like...
Help you.
He just does not stop. Well, we're supposed to be a jerk.
Guy's having a bad day.
That makes two of us. I guess it's a good thing fables are hard to kill.
Suppose it is.
I'm honestly questioning if Fables can die after that, because he... We threw him around the freaking room. We axed him in the back of the head. We threw him out of the room. Oh, God. Am I gonna keep that as a trophy now? Or not? I mean, just leave a bloody axe on the street. All right.
Just come on.
Oh, we gotta be smooth, even though she is, you know, a lady of the night.
That's a nasty habit.
You're joking,
Okay,
right?
I thought you were to be smooth, not kind of rude
Good.
joking.
You're
Okay.
joking.
God dang, your
do you
lip
work
got
for,
busted.
These lips are sealed. Sorry.
Why does she keep saying that?
Hey, you like my ribbon?
I guess. I don't.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
I mean, after all that, the first thing that comes to mind that you want to say is, "Do you like my ribbon?"
I feel like we've met before.
We probably have. We all sort of knew each other at one point or another. But things
I thought
change,
she was.
I
I
guess.
thought you were a client of hers. I'm
guess.
sorry. Oh my god, dude! How does he?
Stop.
Dude's immortal.
We don't have to make any more of a thing out of it than it already is.
This is Fable
It's
Town.
not just about
I
you.
guess.
I can't have him running around the city in the state he's in.
Good, because I was just starting to worry it was all about me.
Yeah,
That's
you can't
not
have a
what I
freaking
mean.
half dead man walking around here. Did she already catch
much was
feelings
the
for him? What the
OJ?
heck's going on here?
100.
I'm guessing it'd be bad for you to show up empty-handed.
I'll be fine.
Let's see, I've got,
We're jerk to all the dudes, but when it comes to the females, we gotta.
7, 8, 58. It's all
Okay,
I
you
got.
didn't have to give her
It'll
oh my,
help,
oh,
right?
oh my god,
Take it.
all your money.
It's okay.
Why?
I'll be fine. You've done enough, really.
Just take the money, okay?
You got me out of a bad situation back there. Thanks.
I'm still gonna need a statement.
I have to go drop off what I have.
Meet me back at my office then.
It's a little late for an office visit, Sheriff. I'll swing by your apartment.
You
Dang.
know where I
You live in the smallest apartment in the Woodlands. Everyone knows that.
Good to know.
You should get cleaned up. You look like shit. And I don't use that term lightly. Some of these look pretty bad.
I did say
That's gonna leave
anything.
a
My
mark.
bad.
Or maybe not. Hey. I need to tell you something.
What is it?
You're not as bad as everyone says you are.
Dang, Bib, you're already making moves.
I'll see you around, Wolf.
She's about to meet you at your apartment. He does not look too excited about that. I guess he did pay her. So, I mean, I don't freaking know. Oh. Well, while this is going, I might as well talk. It's been so long since I've recorded. Like, it feels good to be back. And again, The Wolf Among Us. Roll credits. Actually, it should be called The Panda Among Us. No. So I decided to start with Wolf Among Us because it's a very story-based game. And I thought that would probably get the demographic that I'm probably playing for. So if you guys like this, leave some comment or some likes. Then I'll know if you want me to continue. Episode 1. Faith. Also, for people that usually don't play video games, this is one that's like episodic, whatever. But it comes with different episodes. It's episode 1, as you've already read. Cause okay, let's look at this.
Luxury apartments. Wish they wouldn't advertise that.
I don't think it's luxury at all. It doesn't look very luxury. Well, actually, when I think about it, all the apartments I've seen, this is pretty nice. Let's get in here. long day of work. Gonna go bed. Oh, you ain't slick. Stay off the grass.
There's no walking on the grass. No White's orders.
I'll be sure to send her an apology.
Beauty.
Hello, Bigby.
Oh shoot.
I
Why's she hiding in the
wasn't
grass?
expecting anyone. I know this looks a little odd,
Ooh.
but there's an
Ooh, I'm
explanation.
about to get in some drama. Hold
You're
on.
out pretty late.
Pretty late.
Is there some sort of curfew I don't know about? What's with a 3rd degree? Damn it, I'm late.
What are you late for? It's like it's probably like 1 o'clock in the morning.
Please, Bigby. Promise me you won't tell Beast you saw me.
Oh,
He worries too much as it is, and it would just make my life a lot easier.
okay. I'm gonna be a jerk and
Just
lie and say
please.
I promise.
Sure.
You promise?
Oh shoot, that's when it gets real serious when they say
Thank
you
you,
promise.
baby.
Oh,
I'll explain it all to you later. I will, but I have to go.
that sounds real suspicious. All right.
Thank you for trusting me. Really, I appreciate it, Bigby.
Hey, as long as you repay me at some point. Alright. Okay, that's how you know something ain't right here. What kind of apartment has a freaking suit of armor? I know this is like New York, but god dang.
My catcher needs to dust this guy.
I'm gonna talk to this dude.
Hey, you wink?
Obviously not, wake him up.
Probably for the best.
We're supposed to be... No, it's not for the best, we're supposed to be a jerk. Oh, got some mail?
Been a while since I got any mail. 7th day in a row.
Well, guess we'll go on. Wait, can I press the other button too? Aww. Okay. Well. Oh shoot. Ew!
Hey, wait up. Have you seen my
His
wife?
ears.
Have you seen Beauty?
Oh. Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah, I did.
What? When? Just now.
Just a second ago.
Few seconds
I'm
ago.
giving him
She walked past
everything.
me. You can probably still catch her.
Thanks.
Honestly, he needs some more glamour because those ears, they ain't flying. They ain't cutting it. I mean, if he wants to work at it as an elf during like Christmas time, he can do it. But right now, nah. He stands out. But I guess Bigby stands out too because this dude looks like Harry. It's even madder that he has a shaven face. It's all stubble. It probably stays stubble.
Damn, should have cracked a window.
Yeah, it probably smells terrible in there. Look how dirty it is. Better be washing them dishes, boy. Nope, just gonna wash your face.
What a night.
Yeah, you pretty much killed a dude like 5 times. But anyways guys, I think that's what I'm gonna leave it here. It's been a good like what 30 minutes, probably 25 or something like that. But anyways, like if you enjoyed, subscribe to become a part of the Panda Hood, and I will see you guys